Meaning of Gary Gilmore.
Gary Gilmore.
Gary Gilmore.
Gary Gilmore.
Gary Gilmore. Gary Gilmore was an American criminal who gained notoriety for being the first person to be executed in the U.S. after the death penalty was reinstated in 1976. He was convicted of 2 murders and insisted on being executed, leading to a highly publicized legal battle. His case sparked debates on the morality and effectiveness of capital punishment and inspired books and movies. The phrase Gary Gilmore has since become a cultural reference to the controversy surrounding the death penalty and its application in the U.S. justice system.